Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation 3 which is plus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 3, B is 5, C is 9 and D is 10. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve the given expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to follow same step for both. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So we have first this bracket, which is 3 plus 6. So we have to solve this one. 4 divided by 2 multiply 3 plus 6 equals to 9 divided by 2. Here we have to give the reference 3 plus 6 equals to 9. Now move forward. To solve the step number 2. We have to solve the exponent part or order of expression. So in this expression, we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip this step as well. Now move forward to step number 3, which is division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. Now we have, first of all, we have 4 divided by 2. We have to solve 2, multiply by 9 and divided by 2. We can write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 2 multiply by 9, which is equals to 18. And divided by 2, we will write here as it is. 2 multiply by 9 equals to 18. Now move forward. We have two terms and we have the division sign, 18 divided by 2. So we will divide both of them and get the answer is 9. So the answer of the given expression is 9. If you see the answer list, answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.